Summary of Can't Hurt Me by David Goggins. David Goggins' Can't Hurt Me is a powerful memoir that shares his transformation from a broken individual with a challenging childhood into one of the toughest endurance athletes and motivational figures in the world. It combines personal anecdotes with actionable lessons designed to help readers break past limitations and achieve their full potential. Goggins refers to this as unlocking the 40% rule, a principle that states most people operate at only 40% of their true capacity. Early life, overcoming a troubled past. 1. Childhood struggles, abuse and poverty. Goggins grew up in an abusive household. His father, Trunus Goggins, subjected him, his mother, and his brother to physical and emotional abuse. Racial discrimination. Living in rural Indiana, Goggins faced relentless bullying and racism, which further shaped his resilience. Learning disabilities. He struggled academically, suffering from undiagnosed learning disabilities, including a difficulty with reading. 2. First transformation, military dreams. After high school, Goggins failed the Air Force Tactical Air Controller training and returned to a life of mediocrity, working as a pest exterminator. His wake-up call came when he saw a documentary about Navy SEALs, inspiring him to attempt one of the toughest military training programs in the world. Chapter 1, Taking Souls. Goggins introduces the idea of taking souls, a mental tactic for outperforming others and proving doubters wrong. Key lessons. 1. Use negativity as fuel. 2. When others doubt you, prove them wrong through relentless effort. 3. Always maintain a mindset of control and resilience, even in the toughest situations. Chapter 2, Embracing Pain and Suffering. Goggins emphasizes that suffering is essential for growth. He reflects on enduring multiple rounds of Navy SEAL, Hell Week training, which pushed him to his physical and mental limits. Key lessons. 1. Callous your mind. Just like hands get calloused through hard work, the mind becomes stronger through enduring pain and hardship. 2. The 40% rule. Most people quit when they've only tapped into 40% of their true potential. Goggins urges readers to push beyond perceived limits. Chapter 3, Accountability in the Accountability Mirror. The Accountability Mirror. Goggins recommends standing in front of a mirror daily, confronting the truth about yourself, and setting clear goals. Post sticky notes with actionable steps to improve. Be brutally honest but motivated to improve. Key lessons. 1. Take full responsibility for your failures and shortcomings. 2. Commit to self-improvement with actionable goals. 3. Track your progress consistently. Chapter 4, Overcoming Fear and Failure. Goggins discusses his repeated failures, from dropping out of military training to barely passing his initial physical tests due to being overweight. Key lessons. 1. Face fear directly. Fear is a mental construct. Taking action diminishes it. 2. Turn failures into fuel. Every failure is an opportunity to learn and grow. 3. Small wins build momentum. Break big challenges into smaller, manageable tasks to build confidence. Chapter 5, The Power of Visualization and Preparation. Goggins credits visualization and meticulous preparation for his ability to tackle grueling endurance challenges, such as running ultramarathons and setting world records. Key lessons. 1. Visualization is key. Imagine yourself overcoming obstacles and achieving success. 2. Prepare for the worst. Anticipate setbacks and develop strategies to overcome them. Chapter 6, Building Mental Resilience. Goggins' Mental Resilience Framework. 1. The Cookie Jar. Create a cookie jar of past victories and use them to fuel you during tough times. 2. Create a strong why. Develop a compelling reason for why you are pursuing your goals. 3. Turn weakness into strength. Chapter 7, Pushing Through Physical Limits. Goggins shares harrowing accounts of physical endurance challenges, including his infamous 100-mile ultramarathon where he ran on broken feet. Key lessons. 1. Pain is temporary. The mind quits before the body does. Learn to endure pain and push forward. 2. Develop a warrior mindset. Focus on discipline, self-control, and a refusal to give up, no matter the odds. Chapter 8. The importance of self-discipline. Key lessons. 1. Motivation is fleeting, but discipline creates long-term success. 2. Maintain a rigorous schedule and stick to it, even when it's uncomfortable. 3. Commit to a life of consistent effort and improvement. Chapter 9. The growth mindset and constant learning. Key lessons. 1. Always look for opportunities to grow, regardless of your current success or failure. 2. Failure is an essential part of growth. Embrace it as a learning tool. 3. Challenge yourself daily, seeking discomfort to expand your mental and physical limits. Chapter 10. The role of community and accountability partners. While Gauguin's journey is deeply personal, he also highlights the importance of surrounding yourself with people who challenge and support you. Key lessons. 1. Build a network of like-minded, driven individuals. 2. Accountability partners push you to stay consistent and focused on your goals. Actionable challenges throughout the book. Each chapter of Can't Hurt Me concludes with a challenge for readers to implement Gauguin's principles in their lives. Examples include 1. Writing a list of your fears and systematically confronting them. 2. Keeping a daily journal to track progress and reflect on setbacks. Conclusion. Living an uncommon life. David Goggins concludes with a call to action. Stop settling for mediocrity. Take ownership of your life. Push past perceived limitations and strive to become the best version of yourself.